Our Mother's Day today. Where are we?
Whimsyland.
Whimsyland. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out. There's a happy face. It looks like a happy place. Bowling balls. So they live in this house? It's a cow. Oh my gosh. It's like a Burger King hat on him. It's a clip-off, but I like it. A little froggy up here. Oh, that is a colorful Christmas tree. Whoa, look at all the disco balls and shiny things and a chandelier of cups. Computer, it's covered in computer stuff, like motherboards. That's crazy. Cute.
We're at Folly Farms Nature Preserve.
Folly Farms Nature Preserve. What nature are they preserving? Butterflies? There's a butterfly garden.
Yeah.
Have you been here before?
No.
George's garden. Cute. He's dancing it up. Look at these flowers. Mushrooms. Yeah, Robin would like it here too. Oh yeah, like a fungus. It's a fungus among us. Village. Alright, the butterfly. Oh, it's a labyrinth for butterflies.
Look at the thing.
Succulents. Uh-huh.
Stay on the flower now.
He wants the flower, not you. Whoa. We're lost in the labyrinth. We'll never find our way out. Nomeo project.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
There's a bunch of them. They're 12-foot tall giant gnomes.
Uh-huh. An egg. A very round egg.